Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add a bank feeds to your QuickBooks Online, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is log into your account. Then you have to go to your account summary. The account summary is provided by probably each banks that can help you to download any format of the statement and transaction that you can upload in any assets management software. So there is like this is a way West Fargo's account summary, a demo summary from here. So here you can find the file format that is Web Connect for QuickBooks. So you have to simply click on Web Connect here, then or simply click on download. So once you have select the QuickBooks here and simply click on download, it will help you to download a file that is .qbo format. So there is a file here. This is actually a demo file from here. So once you are on the QuickBooks, you can find this type of interface where you can find the dashboard here. So now it's time to upload it. So you can do simply click on the plus button here, this plus button here, and you can find the bank deposit here or transfer, and also different types of options here. Now from here at the top right corner, you can find the gear icon. Simply click on gear icon here at the top right corner where you can find import data. So you have to simply click on import data, so where you will be able to add data. So from here you can find the bank data from here. So you'll be able to add the bank feeds as bank data on the QuickBooks. So first you can find manually upload your transactions. So first that you have to do is open a new tab and sign into your online bank account. Then export your bank statement in a .csv or QFX or QBO or OFX or the .txt format. Then upload your bank statement. You can drag and drop it here, or you can automatically upload it. So for that you have to connect your bank with QuickBooks, and it is pretty easy. You can select a bank here, or you can find your bank from here where you can find your bank and add your bank credentials to connect your bank account with your QuickBooks. That can help you to manage your bank assets and all the expenses and the spendings. Now I'm going to upload a demo file from here, so I'm going to just drag and drop this demo file. If I just drag and drop, it has just accepted, you can see. So you have to simply do is simply click on continue. Now which account are this transaction from? So select a QuickBooks account for the bank file you want to upload. So select a file section here, like I'm going with cash and cash equivalent, or for anything like expenses, prepaid expenses. Like here I'm going to select this here, and simply what we can do is account. So we don't have this field here, so that's why it's not showing here. So I'm going to create one like bank statement here, bank feeds the account type. So I'm going to add the account type from here, like current assets, or so for example cash and cash equivalent, like bank here, or edit bank. So now open balance here, or as of you can add it, or as of the date here. So simply I'm going to save this enough for right now. So I'm going to simply search for bank feeds here. So once you have added it, you have to do is simply click on continue. So once you have continued to the next process, this file doesn't contain the three required columns like transaction date, memo, and amount. Make sure that the file does have these three options here. Then the third and fourth step is let me show you. So I'm going to upload another one. So I'm going to go back and upload the perfect one here. So I have another sample here, so I have just added it. So there is actually the column here, so I'm going to select the account here. So there is the three columns are available like transaction, memo, and amount, and now simply click on continue. So once I have continued, let's set up your file and the QuickBooks here. So tell us about the formatting of your data. So is the first row in your file a header? Yes. And how many columns show amounts? One column here. And what are the date format used in your file? So like let me see the file here. So I'm going to open it on Excel here, so just once. So once I have added it, so the format is the date, month, and the year. So I'm going to add it like the day, month, and year. So step 2, select the fields that correspond to your file. So like here the QuickBooks field here, date, and select columns for your file. The column 1 description or amount, column 3 So let's open again, and the memo for it, like memo is column 2 here, memo. Now simply click on continue. Now keep original values or reverse all values, then simply choose the transaction you want to import. So you have to, you can select all of them from here, and simply click on continue, or you can go with this here, select it, or reverse all values, sorry for that, and from here. So there is the negative numbers, that's why it is showing me it's not available here. So make sure that you don't have added the negative numbers, only the positive numbers. Here you can find the generally income transaction post as positive numbers and expenses transaction post as negative numbers. Occasionally some banks send us files with the reverse. Do the transaction below currently indicate income and expenses. So you can choose all of them from here, and you are good to go. So keep the original value or reverse it. You can reverse the value also from here. So you can start over from here, or you can do the other thing here. So you can also fill the fifth step, and you are good to go. So that's how you can just add a bank feeds on your QuickBooks. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.